Hello, I am Dr. Rekha Kanuga. I am a doctor working in Dubai. I have this issue from and a complaint from Square Yards Dubai, who sold me a project of WTC CBD in Noida in 2019. I was quite hesitant to buy this project because of my age. In 2019, there was Mr. Himanshu Jain and Mr. Gulshan Agarwal who totally convinced me to buy this and said that you have to pay this in 6 to 7 installments and you will get 10% as you go on paying the installment. You will get 10% interest and it will be ready in 2022 and you will get possession, and then the property value will go up and then you can sell it or you will get very good returns on it. So somehow, I thought it's a retirement plan, so I got convinced and I put in my very hard earned money, about 38.5 lakhs I paid up. I was given the assured returns from April of 2019 to 6th of June of 2020. After that, there was no assured returns. There was no contact from them. They stopped the payment, and then I was running after them, and I was thinking that I'm caught up in such a big scam. Actually, I did this because this company was registered in a country like UAE, in Dubai. So I was more confident that UAE, being such an advanced and very straightforward and uncorrupted country, so I had no fears. So I went ahead and I invested. But it was very sad that now I'm 70 and my nearly 40 lakhs I caught up in this project, which is not giving me any returns at all. And I'm very humiliated, and I have to always call them. I have to stress out myself, but still for last 6 months they started giving me, after a lot of fighting with them, they started giving me 9,300 for 6 months, which also stopped now from the month of July. So only for 6 months I got a meager amount of 9,300, where I was supposed to get more than 30,000 rupees per month. More than that I was supposed to get. And I have to say that Square Yards is a very unprofessional company. When I was going through all this, I went to meet Mr. Tanu Shore in his office, and he behaved in a very unprofessional manner. I don't think he deserves to be CEO of this company. He refused to see me, also not recognizing the fact that I am a senior doctor and a lady at that. He refused to meet me, and his staff behaved very rudely to me. So I have to say, even the UAE government should see to it that such companies are like frauds, and we are having more confidence in them because we are in Dubai, in a country like UAE. So even, they are making frauds even in UAE. Now you see, I'm at the age of 70. I have retired. My 40 lakhs I caught up in this company without getting any returns. So I totally hold Square Yards responsible for my loss and my helplessness at this age when I really need this money. So either the government and the concerned authorities like RERA, and also the Indian government has to, who is responsible for all this, has to take action against this kind of broker companies like Square Yards. They say, we have paid your sum to WTC CBD in Noida, but you are the one who came to me, you are the one, I have paid you in Dubai from my NRE account, and now you say we have given to WTC in Noida. So in what way are you responsible? Sitting in Dubai, you open in a country like UAE, you open a big company like Square Yards and fool people. So I think even UAE government, Dubai government has to Dubai land government also has to, who is responsible for this, has to also take action against Square Yards and also solve my problem. I'm in a big problem because now I'm alone. I'm at the age of 70. I've crossed 70. I need my fund. I need my refund. So immediately I request the UAE government and also the government and the RERA of Noida to solve my problem. Thank you.